The PSU, the Personal Support Unit, started off in London about 16, 17 years ago. It was created by a lady who was helping her friend through a divorce system, a divorce process in the civil courts. Couldn't believe kind of the lack of support there was there for civil and family cases, so people having to represent themselves in court. So she set up with a group of volunteers a charity called the PSU. We help litigants in person, so people representing themselves in civil and family courts and often some kind of employment tribunals, to help them represent themselves essentially. So we help them to help themselves through the court process. The grant we've received from Hanfod Cymru we'll be using to develop our Newport outreach service. So Newport's been open for about a year now, and it's quite a small service. But yeah, the funding will really help us to be able to promote the service more, and we'll be able to kind of get better technology there because it's quite a small setup at the moment. We'll be able to get more volunteers in on the day that it's open, and hopefully even open for 2 days a week, because at the moment it's open a full day a week, but hopefully we can get it for 2. So that would be great. So yeah, I mean, more people will be able to access our service and access justice as well, really. So.